as well. And to pep up the players, to get them in the mood as they enter the field or as they are going after the break for the second half. Even a goal, no problem. We have come 3 goals many times. From 3-0, we have given 1 matches as 4-3. That is what was my intention. In the worst of circumstances, the team song can always back them up.
The champion from India. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. Stand up. To the chairman and managing director of Dempo Group of Companies, Mr. Dempo, to kindly place it on the pedestal.
Today is a time for celebration, less of speech time, but I would just like to acknowledge the wonderful contribution our team has given to Goa. We feel very humbled by their achievements, 5 times winning the I-League, clinching the I-League over a period of 8 years. Is a fitting tribute to the love the Goans have shown towards football. And what better way by the presence of our Honorable Chief Minister, who had the vision to declare Goa football as a Goan state sports. I think we must, this Chief Minister deserves a big applause for declaring this football as a state sport, and through GFA, through other mechanisms, we have gone to various governments which has always fallen in deaf ears to declare football. I also acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Sports Minister. We welcome him. Big welcome to you, sir. We have known your discipline in the field of sports. You've always had a sports background through the physical education, and we are very, very hopeful that football will get a new look into the state of Goa. Not only football, but other sports. And just to tell you, Dempo Sports Club will always work very, very closely with you to achieve your vision. I welcome the Honorable Mayor, Srimati Vaidhi Naik, who is always there for Panji. Madam, we are a Panjim team, and just to share with you, we have the vision of changing over a period of time the name of Dempo Sports Club to a Panjim name. We want this team to belong to the Panjim people and not to the Dempo family. So with this resolve, we will start work towards making this a Panjim team. I also welcome Sri Elvis Gomes, who is our very own member. I had the privilege of working with him over the last 2 years in GFA. He has contributed a lot to football, and Elvis, we look forward to working with you very, very closely over the next few years. Dr. Rufin Montero needs no introduction. The CM has established the Football Development Council. We welcome you, sir. We also would like to work very, very closely with you. I think it's the various bodies, such as the I-League clubs, such as the GFA and the Football Development Council, with the blessings of the government, which can achieve a lot. Also, as a token of contribution, I'd like to make a declaration that we would announce a cash prize of 20 lakhs to the team today, who have made a wonderful contribution to Goa and have brought the name of Goa flying high in football. Once again, welcome to all of you, and hope you continue to support this team the way you've done with all your love.
Crescent Antão, Peter Carvalho,
God be of the man. And for the next batch of players, I will kindly request the Honorable Sports Minister, Mr. Ramesh Tawalkar, to kindly do the honors, calling on Anthony Pereira, Clifford Miranda, Samir Naik, Joaquim Abranches, Valeriano Ribello, Selvin Fernandez, and Wilson Rodriguez. I next request the Honorable Mayor of Panjim, Srimati Vaidehi Naik, to do the honors, calling on Joy Farram, Captain Mahesh Gauri, Brian Mascarenas, and Coco Sabiko. Come on, make some noise for Coco! I will also request now Mr. Elvis Gomes, the Executive Director of Sports Authority of Goa, to do the honors, calling on Clifton Gonsalves, Shalom Pires, Nicolau Borges, Denzel Theobald, Yusuke Tato,
Come on, Denzel.
and Mickey Fernandez.
What is Kiliva? Asha can trophy man.
Ladies and gentlemen, we also have the pleasure of having with us the chairman of the Goa State Football Development Council, Dr. Rufin Montero, and from him I'd like him to do the honors to felicitate the officials led by none other than the most successful coach in our time, Armando Culasso. From Goa of yesteryears. Mauricio still looks like a 28-year-old player. Not forgetting Custodio Almeida, the popular man, R. Venkatesh, and the man who has shown us the brilliance of his craft, the legendary Camilo Gonsalves. Camilo is outstation unfortunately. Supplemental power. Come on, put your hands together for the champions of India. Full time. Full time high league winners.
I have waited patiently. I have vision, no, I know I can count on these days.
I'm a footballer myself. A lot of people don't know this facet of mine. I played even for good teams in Goa in schooling. In fact, I played for IIT also. So the time came when education and other matters became important and football became second. So what I could not achieve, I am trying to get it achieved through Dr. Rufin and आमचे सगळे मित्र एलवीस minister is himself a sports lover. So let us see this as a beginning of rise of Goan football. I am not the cup is getting smaller and smaller. Let us hope we go on performing better and better. Exactly the reverse trend. I wish the club and the players best and hope they will go on winning continuously. It's quite a.
आज या कार्यक्रमात उपस्थित राहत असताना खूप मनात समाधान दिसतं. कारण फुटबॉलामध्ये अशा प्रकारचे 5 वेळा जैतवंत जावप आणि गोंयाक एक मानाचो तुरो मेळोवन दिवपाचें काम या क्लबान केल्लें आसा. म्हणून सगळे गोंयकार आमी तांचे अभिनंदन करता. कारण गोंय हो आमी गोंय सरकारान फुटबॉल हो गोंयचो खेळ म्हणून जाहीर केल्लो आसा. गेली अनेक वर्सां ह्या क्षेत्राचे मेडल मेळोवपा खातीर या जैतवंत जावपा खातीर जे काम केल्लें आसा ते एक दिसाचें न्ही. ताजे फाटल्यान भरपूर कश्ट आसा, भरपूर मेहनत आसा आनी ताजे फाटल्यान अशे तरेचे श्रीनिवास बाब किंवा अन्य जे क्लब चलयता की तांचे पाठबळ आसा. म्हणून अशे तरेचे की बरे दीस आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा. गोंय हें तशें पयलें ल्हान राज्य आनी ल्हान राज्यांक स्पोर्ट्स टॅलंट डेव्हलप करपाक खूब सोंपें. कारण स्पोर्ट्स टॅलंट सोदून काडप सुद्दां सोंपें. त्यामुळे अशा तरेच्या क्लबांनी आज पर्यंत एक खूब मोठें काम केल्लें आसा की आमकां गोंय हे एक खेळाच्या मळाचेर एक मॉडेल राज्य म्हणून आमकां फुडें करपाचें आसा. मग त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान जर आमी फुडें वचले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की अशा तरेचे स्पोर्ट्स टॅलंट ज्या गांवांनी आसा, ज्या भागांनी आसा ते आमकां सोदून काडचें पडटलें. ते आमकां काम सबंद गोंयकारांक करचें पडटलें, स्पोर्ट्स क्लबांक करचें पडटलें. आनी आतां पर्यंत केल्लेंच आसा, हाजे फुडें आमी नेटान करतले ही अपेक्षा दवरता. इतलेंच न्ही की स्पोर्ट्साच्या क्षेत्रामध्ये जे स्पोर्ट्स डेव्हलप करतलो जाल्यार आमकां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जें आसा ते बरें डेव्हलप करपाक जाय. आज म्हाका हांव पळयता की हांव मिनिस्टर जाले नंतर सबंद गोंयभराचे की अनेक ग्रावंडाचे अनेकाचे जे स्पोर्ट्सान इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हांव पळयता आसतना लक्षांत येता की आज गोंय स्वतंत्र जावन सुद्दां एक 50 वर्सां जावन सुद्दां समाधानकारक ना. की त्यामुळे की हाची जबाबदारी केवळ एक सरकाराची ना की जाल्यार जे स्पोर्ट्स क्षेत्र फुडें वतलें जाल्यार स्पोर्ट्साचे क्षेत्रांमध्ये काम करणारे लोक आसा हांच्या सगळ्यांची जबाबदारी आसा. म्हणून तुमचे कडेन मागता आज आमी आमचे सरकार हाडलें आसा की आमच्या सरकारचो उद्देश जो आसा की जशें हांव स्वताक मानता की जसो गोंयच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाचे कांय म्हत्वाचे पिलर जे आसा तातूंत स्पोर्ट्स हो गोंयच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाचो एक म्हत्वाचो पिलर. की त्यामुळे या क्षेत्रामध्ये आमकां भरपूर काम करपाचें आसा. अशें धरून वता की एखादो मिनिस्टर किंवा सरकारच काम करता अशें धरून वचचें न्ही. त्यामुळे हे एकंदर अशा तरेचे एक स्पोर्ट्स क्षेत्रामध्ये गोंय राज्य एक मॉडेल आनी आदर्श जातलें जाल्यार सगळ्यांनी कंट्रिब्युशन दिवपाची गरज आसा. हांव अशें मागतां